tempo, man. All right, set one. Let's rock. 50 ball. Chest up. Yep.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world's famous Repetition Diner.
All right, 10 go.
Your meals will be prepared
Good. Perfect.
by the Beast Mode Chef. He is
All right, 20 go. Good.
the Superset King.
Come on.
Who's hungry?
30 go. Come on.
Let's eat.
Yep. 35.
Who's hungry?
Come on. Yeah.
Let's eat.
40 go. 1.
Who's hungry?
Come on. 3, 4,
Let's eat.
6, 7.
Who's
8,
hungry? Superset King.
Stack down 1. 45 seconds. Stack down 1. 45 seconds. Blow it up already? You alright?
Cuss afterwards?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll cuss after.
Alright, you cussing out.
I know we on film.
Alright, it's all great. G, you good?
Yeah, I'm just money.
Alright. 25 seconds. Going to set number 2 of 6. 25 seconds. It's just work, man. That's all. It's just work. 15 seconds. Get ready to go to number 2. 10 seconds. Damn, y'all awful quiet. Awful quiet. All right, here we go. We go. Set 2. 40 ball. All right. Beat. Up. Beat. Go. Right. 10. Head. Come on. 10. 9. 10 all the way. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Come on. 1, 2. Stay on it. 3, 4. Come on. 5. 6. Come on. 7. 8. Come on. 9. 10. Yes. 1, 2. Click in. 3, 4. Come on. 5. 6. Click in. 7. Come on. 8.
Who's hungry?
9. Good set.
Let's eat.
Yeah. All right.
Who's hungry?
I'm gonna throw you a bone right now.
Let's
Stay the
eat.
same weight for the 30. Then we'll drop for the 20. Woo, woo, woo.
I don't get the lucky ones. Ooh.
Yeah. Woo, woo, woo.
We get to keep the same weight.
Oh, no, you're good. You know, stay where you
Okay,
are.
same weight.
Stay where you are.
Sure.
You drop after this one. Hey, you doing all this complaining, but you ain't got no problem over there with your fitted shirts on. I see you.
Man, this shirt used to fit just regular.
Now I'm talking about that black and gray one you had on the other day.
Oh, no.
I see you dog, man. All right, ready to ride. Set 3, we need 30. All right, set 3, we need 30. Yep. All right, trying to push all the way through for me.
How many seconds you got?
It's time.
Time?
Ready to ride? G waiting on you.
I need that. Hold on, kid. We good. You'll thank you for these extra
Take your time. Take your time.
All right, easy money need 30.
Alright, you ready?
Easy money need 30. All right, we go. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 10, come on. 8, 9, 10, run it home. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, run it home. 5, 6, come on. 7, 8, come on.
The Superset King. Who's hungry?
6, stay on. 7, come on.
Let's eat.
8, come on. 9, all right, good set.
Who's hungry?
Drop low.
Let's eat.
Drop low, you got 45 seconds.
Who's hungry?
All right, you got 20, 10, and 50.
Let's eat.
20, 10, and 50.
Who's hungry? Superset King.
Hey, sorry, they awful quiet, my brother.
They ain't talking.
No, what's going
Let's
on?
move that weight. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, 25
They hungry, chef.
seconds.
Woo! Let's get them.
All right, 15 seconds.
They call you the Superset King.
That's right. I guess, yep. 10 seconds. All right, try to go straight through this to 20 ball.
7.
All right, let's bust it. All right, in a second. You gotta earn it. You gotta earn it. Let's go. Let's go get this money. 20 pieces. Let's go. Yeah. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Right. Hey, come on. Hey.
Ha!
10. One more G. 10. All right, drop one. Drop one E.
Got one.
Almost home. Almost home.
What we got on this? 2?
9 piece. 9 piece. Almost home. Almost home. Whew. Got 25 seconds. We get 10. We almost there.
Come on, G.
15 seconds. Last 10, last 10, last 10. 10 seconds. 5 seconds, last 10, last 10. Easy money, easy money. All right, we going. 10 piece. Same time, same tempo. All right, we go. Hey, hey. Yep. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Come on. Hey, hey. Your 7, boom. Your 8, boom. Your 9, boom. And 10, boom. Money. All right, G, you gonna drop to 33. E, you gonna drop to 44.
33.
Yep, it's the last set we done with. You got 44.
33.
44. You got 44.
You got 33.
That's all right. G just getting back.
Oh, you like him better than me?
You been here.
You got favorites over there? You got favorites?
And we're gonna talk about that extra 40 pounds you got on.
Right. That's all I said, man. He mad. He trying to make me catch up.
Extra 40 pounds on.
I ain't bearing about a good 6, 7 months.
You been on it now?
Probably longer than that, yeah.
Bro, I know you heard me right
Oh
now.
my God. That's why I ain't saying that.
All right, ready to ride last
Keep my mind
one.
together.
Going straight through. And we'll take a 2-minute break.
What's the count on that?
50 ball when we started. All right, last set, back set, break. All right, let's do it again. This is it. Last one. Let's go get these. We'll try to go straight through.
5-0, right?
Yep, 5-0. Waiting on E-Dub. Waiting on the senior assistant over here.
Damn right. I got my AR.
Waiting on the senior assistant over here.
I got mine and indicated while you playing.
All right. All right, let's go to work. All right, and 1. All right, we going. Beat, 2, yep, beat. Last set. 5 going. Come on, straight through. All right, 10 going. 1 going. Looking good. 15 going. Lock in. Stay on it. All right, 20 going. Keep fighting. Keep your chest up for me. All right, 25 going. Keep driving. Come on. Come on. All right, 30 going. Keep pushing. Stay on it. All right, 35. Countdown. Come on with it. All right, last 10. Your 9. 8. Your 7. Your 6. Come on. 5. Come on. 4. Come on. 3. Come on. 2. Come on.
Oh! Bitch.
All right, 2-minute break.
Hello.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
2-minute break.